Hey everybody, I thought I'd just give you a little bit of a taster on something that I've been working on while it's been constantly raining outside. This is my drift car and I'm eventually going to add FPV to it, but I will show you the progress so far. So I'm going to turn it on and start the engine. So this time, it has got a built-in sound generator. There is no effect added over the top of this, but something else that you might notice . So it's the next day and I've taken the cover off, but I've also made some modifications to show you. First of all, I have 3D printed a bucket seat. Thank you very much to NJ Tech for providing the profile for the PLA print. It has come out absolutely amazing. But I've also added this steering wheel here, which has got a servo on, and then it's got a Y connector, so it will actually turn with the wheels. And eventually I'm hoping to add an FPV camera. It could be analog, it could be digital now that we have the Cadex Vista, or maybe there's even room for an air unit in there. Now the smoke system isn't great. It's a repurposed exhaust, so I think I'm going to DIY this so that I've got some proper smoke there, but I'll just show you it working. So I'll plug it in, and if I move the steering wheel, you'll see that the steering wheel moves there. So funnily enough, it's actually the indoor sports hall night tonight, so let's take this guy along and see if I can wreak some havoc. Just gonna roll that in front of you.
Oh, so this is from Wheelspin, isn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, so why isn't there a driver and does the steering wheel move?
I'll be able to answer all of those questions.
Oh, same bands, I take it's a drift one, is it?
It is a drift car, yeah. So, look at the steering wheel.
Now notice how far the steering does actually go.
No, really the wheel moves, that's the thing, man.
Yeah,
Alright, starting engine.
is proper smoking hot. Look at it.
Is that a bit noisy?
No, that's pretty cool.